Schmeip out.
First possession, lovely pass Eddie James to Joel Roberts, who backs himself. Roberts, can he get it away? Back on his feet, wonderful finish. Back against the green, good angle by Losey. Ryan Elias with a spare to Ken Owens.
I got the giggles now, honestly.
No, it is, yeah.
Oh! Scarlets!
Johnny McNicholas got through and he's got Gareth Davis on the inside, where he so often is. And Davis takes the Scarlets into the lead. The time to go wide, Costello. Here goes Johan Lloyd fullback, and the Johan Lloyd gets his score. They've still got it. It's another advantage. It's still alive. Edwin Swart has got there. Costello missing out. Johan Nicholas is. Good step there from Johan Lloyd, and that's rather good. And look at this. This is what they could do. And out there is Tommy Lewis.
Johan Nicholas, Sam Lucy out the back door. Johan Lloyd to Tommy Lewis. He's got some gas on the outside. Inside it is Dan Davis. Dan Davis is going over for a second for the Scarlets.